Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and amazing. In today's video, I'm going to take you guys through how I make my fresh aloe vera gel, how I mix my oils, and how I apply everything to my hair. If your hair is dry, if your hair is breaking, or you just need a good treatment to add to your everyday routine, then this video is for you. We're going to begin by prepping our aloe vera plants. We're first going to cut out all the good parts that we're going to use to make the gel, and then we're going to thoroughly wash them to get rid of all the sand and dirt. So once we're sure that all the portions are clean, we're going to towel dry it, and then now it's ready to be cut up. Cutting into smaller portions makes it easier to extract the gel, and you also get a good grip on the plant as well. Then using a knife, we're going to cut off the sharp ends on both sides, and then we're going to cut as close to the outer skin as possible. And then what is left behind is the aloe vera gel. So once you're done extracting all of the gel from the plant, we're going to put everything together into a blender, and then we're going to pulse blend for just a short time. We're going to strain our extract using a small strainer, or you can even use pantyhose. Now what is left behind is the fresh aloe vera gel we're going to be using to apply to our hair later today. I'm going to start with sweet almond oil, which helps to repair damaged hair. I'm going to add some olive oil, which nourishes your hair and encourages hair growth. I'm going to add some jojoba oil, which is known for its antibacterial, antifungal properties. And then I'm going to add some vitamin E oil, which serves as a preservative, and then it also promotes hair growth. Now, if you have all these oils, you can go ahead and use all of them, or you can just use only extra virgin olive oil. That works fine as well. So our aloe vera is ready, our oil mix is also ready. Next, I'm going to take you guys through my application process. I'm starting by parting my hair down the middle so that I can work in sections, and then I like to apply the gel in 2 steps. Now this is very optional, but I like to do this because of the length of my hair. So the first step is to get the gel onto my scalp, and I like to work in sections because it makes it easier for me to get access to my scalp, and I'm also able to track which sections I've already applied the gel to. Aloe vera has been medically proven to reduce swelling, irritation, and even heal wounds on the skin. It would control how greasy your hair gets, it would improve your dry, damaged hair, and it would even stop your itchy scalp. So use aloe vera on your scalp as often as you can. Now for the second step, I'm going to saturate my hair with the rest of the gel and then add the oil mix. So I'm first going to wet my hair, then I'll apply the aloe vera gel, and then this time the focus is on my hair shaft and then my ends. So it's wet the hair so that it's damp, add the aloe vera gel and then massage it in, add your oil mix and then massage it some more. And then when you're sure that you've covered every area of your hair, you're going to braid the section into a nice juicy twist. So once you're done with all of your sections, remember to apply some of the gel to your edges, to your nape as well, as these are the most delicate part of your hair. So this is how I make and use the aloe vera gel. My hair loves it. I've seen the benefits. I've seen how my hair has transformed ever since I started using it. It's one of those processes that I always recommend. It doesn't matter if you have relaxed hair, dreadlocks, or even type A hair. Just go ahead and use it and it will work wonders for your hair. So this is it for today's video. You can also follow my Instagram handle for more styling options. The handle is naturallys_Carol. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and of course I will see you all in the next one. Bye.